Hey guys, in this video you're going to learn more about adjusting your background to turn this into this. Kind of cool, right? So if you love this type of effect, you want to learn how to do it, you're going to learn in this video tutorial. Alright, whether you want to use it with a green screen or without a green screen is also possible. That's what you will learn in this tutorial right now. So let's dive right into how to do it. So first of all, before I go into the details of how to use a green screen or change background, there are a few options for you. One, you can do it without a green screen using the virtual background in Zoom, or you can buy a green screen just like this one here that I have. This one that I have is about 100 cm by 150 cm. This is a smaller version. I will expand it and open up to show you why I'm using and not using the cloth. Alright, so you can easily open this up. Alright, just like that. Okay, and the benefit of having this is that it will not have the crease on it when you want to use it. So to actually use it, all you need to do is just put behind you, just like that. Okay, as I can see. Sorry, this is impromptu. So I can put it just behind me. Alright, just like that, something like that. I haven't really sit down and adjust. Alright, but you get the idea. Okay, so the benefit of having a green screen, there are actually two benefits. Number one is whoever is behind the green screen can do whatever they want and will not distract your video, and you can change the background to whatever background that you want to do. The problem I face with the virtual background without the green screen in Zoom is sometimes when there's somebody behind your video, they will suddenly just appear. So it's more professional to have a green screen to block out any unnecessary person or thing that's behind your video that Zoom pick up as a person. Alright, so that's not so very nice. So with a green screen, that actually omits the problem. And this green screen is not very expensive. It ranges from 20 US all the way to $50 depending on the size that you want to buy. I will put the link in description, links of where I get them in the description below or in the bonus list as well. So moving on, I'm going to show you basically how it is used and how it is set up on the software as well. So we are right now in the Zoom settings. You can find on the top right corner settings. You go to video. Okay, make sure that you are on the right video camera, which we learned in the previous videos. Click logic capture and not webcam, and then go to background and filters. Okay, you may wondering why some may not see the word filters there, because I downloaded the latest version of Zoom. Only the latest version of Zoom has the filters. There is a new feature, by the way. So what you're going to do is basically now you have your green screen behind. Alright, you can see here. So you press on the color and over here and press the green screen behind, and it will automatically put you in a nice background. Alright, to add a picture, the pictures that you have by default are as so. Okay, so you will see yourself as like this. Okay, unfortunately there's no way in Zoom to cut off the thing at the side, as you can see here, but we can remove that in another software, which is this one that I introduced earlier. So what you can do is to remove this. Okay, you can go to your logic camera software and zoom in nearer to yourself. Okay, so you can zoom in around like this. Okay, so now I am totally in frame. So this is another way to cheat and frame yourself. Okay, so yeah, so I can do that. And now if you go back to Zoom, alright, now you notice totally whole thing is seamless. Okay, because in Zoom you cannot adjust the zoom range. Alright, so that's the disadvantage of limitation of the Zoom settings. Take note that so now if I change to any background, it will match nicely and will look nicely, as well as what you can see right now on the screen. Right, how do you add images? Some people don't know. So you click this plus button, click add image, and then just browse towards the image that you want to add. So let's say I want to add this image in. Alright, so I look like, wow, I'm on the stage. So in choosing background, what you want to choose, basically a background that does not distract people. So you want to look professional and nice. A green screen can do that. So you can do that definitely in Zoom. Normally in my corporate Zoom calls with clients, I use this background. Okay, so maybe I will have another video to show you where did I download all these nice backgrounds and where you can get them as well. So you want to have a smooth, nice background, you know, you can use this, find all this nice background that I found online, which I'll show you another, maybe in the next video. Okay, so just basically that's about it for green screen. So if you're not using green screen, you can off it. Okay, and it will just off. That's what you are seeing right now. Pretty simple settings. So I hope you benefited from this video. If you did, remember to click and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Get Success, for more tech tips just like this. Alright, and remember also to watch our next video, which is around the corner here. Alright, which we will talk more about basically improving your webcam videos and audio as well. So the next video I'm going to recommend you to watch is over here, which is going to basically talk about how to improve your audio quality on your Zoom calls. If you want to see the entire series, you can click on the playlist over here, alright, to see the entire series, or click here to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alvin here signing off, and thanks for having me, and I'll see you in the next video. Alright.